Best deals. 1. Pressure cooker. Heats uniformly throughout the base and sides, preventing scorching and sticking. Crafted from 18/8 superior food-grade stainless steel, the interior is stronger, more durable, and highly hygienic. Featuring a heavy-gauge heat-diffusing metal core. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Pan. It is offered with stay cool, comfortable rosewood handles fixed on sturdy stainless steel brackets which are permanently riveted to the pan. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Colander strainer. Made of premium quality stainless steel material and with food grade. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mortar and pestle set. Is individually crafted by skilled artisans using natural marble, making it unique and durable, giving you a one-of-a-kind product that reflects your personal taste and style. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Insulated tiffin box. Comes with 3 stainless steel containers, 300 ml each, ideal for full meals with variety. Insulated design ensures your meals stay at the right temperature longer. Food-grade silicone lids prevent leakage and keep your meals fresh throughout the day. Stylish and easy-to-carry thermal bag adds another layer of warmth, retention and convenience. Made from high-grade stainless steel and BPA-free silicone, safe for health and tough for daily use. Lunch is designed to be completely airtight, helping to preserve the freshness of your food. This feature is particularly beneficial for keeping your meals tasty and preventing any unwanted odors from escaping. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pan. Features non-stick shielded by stainless steel ridges, allowing you to confidently use metal spatulas without worrying about damaging the surface. With an extra thick tri-ply construction, this pan retains heat exceptionally well. The sturdy, stay-cool stainless steel handles are designed to provide a comfortable grip. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tope. Crafted with 100% food-grade stainless steel, non-toxic and non-reactive. Works perfectly on induction, gas, electric and ceramic cooktops. Combines food-grade 304 stainless steel with a thick aluminum core for even heating and durability, has easy, secure grip for effortless cooking. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Square tawa. Is crafted without any coating, offering a natural non-stick surface, ensuring delicious and healthier meals. The square shape provides a larger cooking surface area compared to round tawas, allowing to cook larger ingredients like fillets of fish or long vegetables. Square shapes fit better on stove tops, ideal for those with limited kitchen space. The square shape with its corners allows for easier access when flipping or stirring food. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Oil dispenser. Perfect for daily Indian cooking, helps avoid excess oil usage. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Kadai. Powered by exclusive iron-enriched titanium (IET) technology, this cookware combines titanium reinforcement with enamel engineering for exceptional strength and stability, 100% free from coatings, PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and harmful chemicals. Tinox keeps your food pure and healthy. Comes pre-seasoned and cooks with minimal oil. The titanium-infused surface builds a natural non-stick layer as you use it, improving performance over time. Works perfectly on gas, induction, and all stovetops, giving you the flexibility to use it anywhere in your kitchen. Fitted with an elegant acacia wood handle, it stays cool during cooking, offers a comfortable grip, and adds a premium look to your kitchen. Independently tested and certified to meet stringent German safety standards, it gives you trusted assurance of safety and durability. Designed to lock in heat for consistent cooking results, searing, frying, or simmering. Enhanced with titanium for extra strength and resilience. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Sponge mop. The honeycomb design offers enhanced absorbency, ensuring every drop of liquid is efficiently soaked up without leaving streaks or residue behind. With its unique structure, the sponge provides superior cleaning performance. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Steamer. Comes with 3 square idli plates and 3 dokla plates that create perfectly steamed, visually distinct snacks. Add a creative twist to your regular meals with consistent, fluffy results every time. Designed for more than just idlis and doklas, easily steam momas, modaks, muthias, and vegetables, or reheat rice and chapatis while preserving moisture and flavor. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Toaster Maker. Durable and robust construction for even heat distribution and long-lasting performance. Advanced non-stick surface for effortless waffle release. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Strainer Pot. Patent-inspired locking strainer lid. Lock it, tilt it, drain it. Never fumble with a separate colander again. Works for pasta, noodles, rice, anything you need to drain. The same food-grade stainless steel used in professional kitchens. BIS certified for Indian safety standards. No harmful coatings, no aluminium contamination. Works on all cooktops. Heavy EEE base ensures even heat and prevents burning even on high-power induction. Perfect for students, working professionals, and small households. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Saucepan. Crafted from stainless steel, making the utensil highly durable, long-lasting and rust-free. Giving it a long life, keeping it beautiful for years, generations. Less stained steel cookware. Deep vessel pan useful for making any kind of food. Induction-friendly cookware. Useful for cooking food on gas stove as well, energy efficient, heats evenly and cooks faster. Easy to maintain and clean. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Storage Box. Uniquely designed with a see-through window to check supply level of the items. Use this kitchen storage organizer to store spices, dry fruits, namkeen, and other food items. Made up of food-grade stainless steel which keeps your content fresh for use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Burger Press. Is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, which is not only sturdy and durable, but also healthier and safer than plastic or aluminum hamburger patty maker on the market. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Collapsible Bucket. Is ideal for small apartments and tight spaces. When not in use, it folds flat, making it perfect for easy storage in a cupboard, drawer, or under the sink. Keep your home organized and clutter-free. Perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks, including mopping floors, washing cars, and even organizing laundry. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cutting Board. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Eco-friendly teak for long-lasting performance and natural beauty in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Milk Frother. Enjoy barista-style froth anytime, anywhere. This manual stainless steel milk frother lets you prepare rich, creamy foam for cappuccinos, lattes, or hot chocolate right at home, at the campsite, or in your hotel room. A must-have addition to your coffee bar essentials. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, this frother is built to last. Resistant to dents, scratches, stains, and rust. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Steamer Pot. Perfect for idlis, momas, dumplings, vegetables, modak, biryani, and more. This 3-tier steamer pot brings variety to every meal. Built with advanced 3-layer stainless steel base for rapid heating, consistent cooking, and better nutrient retention in every dish. Assured with ISI certification in premium grade stainless steel for safe, durable, and worry-free use. Spacious 24 cm pot with 3 tiers, ideal for cooking large portions and serving gatherings with ease. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Pot Drainer. The smooth surface and compact design of our rice pot with strainer lid make it easy to clean and store, saving your time and space in your kitchen. With its innovative design, our rice strainer pot ensures efficient drainage, preventing over-soaking and yielding fluffy, well-cooked rice every time. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Capsule. Premium food-grade stainless steel ensures durability and resistance to rust, maintaining the freshness of stored items. Transparent polycarbonate lid allows easy identification of contents without opening, saving time and preserving freshness. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Knife block. Features a weighted handle and a built-in tool rest that keeps the blade elevated, preventing direct contact with your kitchen surface. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Cooker. Is designed for safe, efficient, and hassle-free cooking. Its extra thick heavy base ensures food doesn't burn, while the impact-bonded stainless steel encapsulated base stays flat and won't separate, perfect for induction and gas. Food level indicators help prevent dal from sprouting and make cooking more user-friendly. A long-lasting silicone gasket with a unique shape ensures better sealing and faster cooking. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Electric dosa maker. Heats up quickly and ensures uniform cooking for perfect results every time, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. Extra wide surface allows you to prepare large crepes, pancakes, chilla, uttapam, and more with ease, prevents sticking and requires less oil. Ideal for making pancakes, crepes, chilla, uttapam, omelets, paratha, and a variety of breakfast and snack options. Smooth non-stick surface makes cooking hassle-free and cleaning quick with just a wipe, perfect for everyday use, easy to use and clean. Smooth non-stick surface makes cooking hassle-free and cleaning quick with just a wipe, perfect for everyday use. Sturdy build with heat-resistant body and stable base ensures safe and long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Casserole. Made of 3 layers. Top layer is 18/10 food safe 304 grade steel, middle layer aluminum for quick heating, bottom layer is 430 magnetic steel for induction friendly base. Stainless steel is all natural, which makes sure that whatever you cook in this triple steel sauce pot, it's completely safe from any kind of chemical coating. Stainless steel biryani pot. The aluminum layer in my triple stainless steel casserole body makes me retain heat for a longer period, which allows you to save fuel. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Snacks bowl. Crafted from high-grade, food-safe ceramic, these snack bowls are 100% non-toxic and lead-free, ensuring a safe and healthy dining experience for you and your family. Featuring a beautifully textured exterior with subtle ridges and a smooth, glossy finish, these bowls combine visual appeal with effortless cleaning. Built for everyday convenience. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Baking pan. Revolutionary honeycomb pattern base for exceptional non-stick performance. This technology ensures better airflow and experience even baking and browning. The non-stick coating is a food-grade safety coating with no harsh chemicals or hazardous substances. The true double-layer coating allows the cake to be easily removed without damage. Avoid making it difficult to clean the cake because it sticks to the pan or leaves a lot of cake residue. Unbeatable thickness, sturdiness, and performance. Unparalleled thicker rolled edges. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Dish. Made with our proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. Biocomposites are new-age bioplastics. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Electric spin mop. Experience hassle-free cleaning with the electric spin mop. Its cordless design and powerful dual motors spin at 145 rpm high speed, effortlessly tackling stubborn stains, dirt, and dust on hardwood, tile, laminate, marble, and vinyl floors. Plus, it operates at a quiet sound, ensuring a peaceful cleaning experience without disturbing your home. Built-in water sprayer and LED light for stubborn stains, tackle tough messes with ease. The electric spin mop comes equipped with a built-in water sprayer, allowing you to target stubborn stains and spills directly. Perfect for deep cleaning and maintaining spotless floors. Powered by a 2000 2 mAh rechargeable battery, this mop delivers up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted dry cleaning and 45 minutes of wet mopping after just 4 hours of charging. Easily cover up to 2,350 square feet in one go. Includes 2 different pairs of washable mop clothes for continuous cleaning convenience. Cleaning hard to reach areas as a breeze. The automatic electric mop features a lightweight design and a 180 degrees swivel head, allowing you to effortlessly clean around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. No more heavy lifting or awkward angles. Advanced silent technology ensures low noise operation, making it perfect for use in home, kitchen and offices without any disturbance. Operates at below 50 decibels, ensuring a peaceful cleaning experience without disturbing others. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. The electric spin mop includes 2 different pairs of washable and reusable mop pads, perfect for deep cleaning and maintaining hygiene. Simply wash and reuse for a sustainable cleaning solution. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? The electric spin mop comes in a sleek, well-packaged design, making it the perfect gift for loved ones. Give the gift of effortless cleaning and watch them enjoy a cleaner, healthier home. Electric spin mop is the ultimate cleaning solution for spotless floors. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this cordless mop features dual 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. Its 180 degrees swivel design and built-in water sprayer make it perfect for navigating around furniture and tackling stubborn stains on hardwood, tile, marble, and other hard floors. With a lightweight design and washable mop clothes, they ensures eco-friendly and effortless cleaning. Enjoy a quiet cleaning experience, making it ideal for homes, kitchens, and offices. Product link is given in the 31st link.